Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create applications like YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and as you can see I created so many applications in my taskbar. So now as you can see here, that's YouTube. So let's start that how can you create application. First of all, go to the Microsoft Edge and you can search your application website here like youtube.com, gmail.com, google.com and zomato.com. so just like I created, as you can see. So for example, I am going to create a Flipkart application. So go to the Flipkart website and open the Flipkart website official, so this website. And guys, you know the application is just like shortcut. So first of all, you want to open the app, and then after opening the website you have to go to the three dots here, and now you go to the apps button. And as you can see here is the option is install this site as an app. You can see I already created so many apps like Prime Video and more. So click on install this site as an app. So click here, and I'm going to cut this login window because I don't want to log in here. So now after clicking the install this site as an app, and Flipkart Seprate application will open. Here you can see install app pop-up is here. So type the application name which you want to save. I am going to save Flipkart and click on save, and tick this option, create desktop shortcut and pin to taskbar, then click create. And as you can see, this is the separate application of Flipkart which will not opening in Microsoft Edge. Okay, let me show you. So I'm going to cut all the windows, and now as you can see here a Flipkart application is downloaded. You can see Flipkart and icon is already here, and in the taskbar also it is present. Okay, so let me open this application. So I'm going to open it. So you can see the Flipkart application is opened, and as you can see it is not opening in Microsoft Edge, it is opening in separate window. Okay, so this is the method how you can create the applications in your PC, and it will work in any window like Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11. I am doing this thing in Windows 8.1. So thanks for watching.